Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming symptoms: silent mic, intermittent signal, or only when using USB dongle. Once done, grab a small Phillips flat pry, a 2030W soldering iron, and a multimeter. Make sure to have a spare 3.5mm cable and the HyperX USB sound card if you own it. Next, test the headset on a phone or another PC to isolate whether the issue is headset or adapter. If the mic works elsewhere, you focus on the USB dongle. If not, prepare to open the ear cup. You open the ear cup carefully, removing visible screws and prying clips with a flat tool. Keep track of foam and screws. Once inside, locate the microphone lead and any ribbon or solder joints. These are common failure points. Use a multimeter to check continuity from the mic capsule to the headset jack. If you find a break, tin and resolder the wire or reflow the joint. If the capsule itself is damaged, replace it with an identical unit and secure wires with heat shrink or epoxy for strain relief. You reassemble the headset carefully, replacing foam and screws without over-tightening, then plug in and test immediately on both PC and phone. Make sure the inline mute switch is enabled and check OS input levels. Adjust gain if needed. Once done, test with the HyperX USB dongle as well. If audio still fails, swap in a spare USB sound card or replacement mic capsule to isolate the failing component. Troubleshooting tip: if continuity checks fine but sound is bad, the capsule is likely faulty. Replace it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.